As we all know now about what clinical trials are, let us now understand the types of clinical trials. Treatment trials. These trials are conducted to test newer treatments and interventions to determine the effectiveness of medications for the specific medical condition. This trial involves new drugs, medical devices, and any surgical procedures or combination of treatments. Prevention trials. These trials investigate different methods or interventions that are used to prevent the development of a disease or condition. This trial involves medications, vaccines, behavioral interventions, or lifestyle modifications. Diagnostic trials. These trials are focused on developing or improving diagnostic tests and procedures that are used to identify diseases or conditions. These trials focus on assessing the sensitivity and accuracy of the new diagnostic tools in comparison with the existing methods. Screening trials. Screening trials focus on evaluating the effectiveness of a particular screening test in detecting early signs of a disease or condition. Quality of trials. These trials assess the impact of medical treatments or interventions on a patient's overall well-being, which include the patient's physical, psychological, and social functioning. These trials focus on improving patients' quality of life during and after treatment. Observational trials. Observational trials involve the collection and analysis of data from participants to understand patterns, correlations, and outcomes without intervening or assigning specific interventions. These trials observe and record information about participants' health status, behaviors, or exposures over time. Expanded access trials. Expanded access trials, also known as compassionate use, or named patient programs, allow individuals with serious or life-threatening conditions to access investigational treatments that are not yet approved by regulatory authorities. These trials are usually considered when there are no alternative treatment options available. Clinical trials are often categorized into phases. Phase 1 trials are the initial studies conducted on a small number of healthy volunteers to evaluate a treatment's safety and dosage. Phase 2 trials involve a larger group of patients to assess the treatment's effectiveness and side effects. Phase 3 trials involve even larger groups to confirm efficacy, monitor adverse effects, and compare the treatment to existing standard treatments. Phase 4 trials take place after a treatment is approved and are conducted to further evaluate its long-term safety and effectiveness. The phases of clinical trials will be discussed in detail in the upcoming video. Stay tuned to our channel. Like, share, and subscribe to encourage us to deliver exciting content to you. Each clinical trial follows a specific protocol designed to address research questions and ensure the safety of participants. The type of trial chosen depends on the objectives, stage of development, and nature of the intervention being investigated.